I'm sitting in the waiting room, looking around at the other people. Nobody is talking. Everyone seems to be in their own world. The chairs are soft and the music is low. I should feel calm here. For most people, maybe it does. I have a blood test today, and I've been thinking about it since I woke up. It's not the test itself that bothers me, it's the needle. I know it's a small thing. I know it's over in a second. That doesn't seem to help. I've already told myself, do not flinch. I told myself the same thing last time. A nurse opens the door and calls my name. I stand up and notice my legs feel a little heavier than usual. She gives me a warm smile as I walk in. It helps more than she probably knows. I follow her down the hall. The doctor is already in the room. She looks up and says, "Good morning." And there's something reassuring about the way she says it. She asks how I've been feeling. I tell her I'm fine. I don't mention the needle. She works through the usual checks first: blood pressure, weight, a few questions. She writes as she listens. Then she says it's time for the blood test. I already knew it was coming. I'd been waiting for those words since I sat down. While the nurse gets everything ready, I fix my eyes on the ceiling. Looking at the needle is not something I plan to do. I go through it one more time in my head. Do not flinch. Stay still. It will be over before I know it. The nurse is gentle and unhurried. I can tell she has done this thousands of times. That actually helps. Then I feel it and I flinch. Just slightly, just for a moment, but enough. The nurse doesn't react. She just continues. But I feel a little embarrassed. It's finished quickly. She places a small bandage on my arm and tells me I did well. Her voice is kind. I'm not sure I agree, but I appreciate her saying it. The doctor comes back in and says everything looks fine so far. She'll have the full results ready in about a week. She says she'll see me next week to go over everything. I say thank you. I collect my things from the waiting room and head for the door. The same quiet people, the same soft music. Outside, the air feels fresh and wide open. I think, next time, I will not flinch. I think that every time.